Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Please welcome to Home Garden and Fashion. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for subscribing to my channel, and please do go to my Facebook fan page and give me a like there. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to talk about hat decoration. Since it's winter and everybody's wearing hat, and you know me, I kind of like to add little glitter and sequins to everything. So today I'm going to add the rhinestone in this hat. This hat is pretty much done, so I will just show you a couple of them. So as you see, this is just a winter hat, and on this one I have added this crystal rhinestone. You can get these rhinestones at your local craft store. I will give the names in the description, where you get a package. I think it's a pound of it, and it's not very expensive. So it comes a huge package, and it has all different sizes, shapes and colors. Then I short them out. Like here you see I still have some mixed one, like this is a little bit big and this is small, and I have more bigger size. So it comes in a package with all different sizes and shapes and colors. Since this is black, I found this crystal rhinestone looks prettier in it than just plain white. So what you need to do, just in your hat, this one I haven't done any measurement, I just added it randomly. So all you need is this glitter dimensional fabric paint. I am using this one multi-color. It's kind of silver with it, mix all sorts of color. And then I use this empty paint container to press it down. But this one kind of rhinestones you have to pick up by hand. So let me just show you a couple. You see, here I have just one I put dots all over, and here I try to make a little flower. So this is how you decorate. No measurement needed. You just randomly from your head. Just let me see, was there's a little bit empty space, less crowded. Suppose I will show you one right. So I will show you one right here. All you do is you take your paint container and you just give a little dot with it. It's not too big, not too little, just right. And then you take your rhinestone, just one, and press it down with the tool. You just press it down a little bit and leave it like this 2 hours. It will dry. So that's all I did. I just randomly put it everywhere. You can put as much as you want, as little as you want. Now I'm going to show you a flower over here, how I did this flower. Now if you leave it alone in one place after you do it, if you see it's falling off, just press it a little bit. Don't put too much of the paint or it'll fall off. You leave it alone 2 hours, it'll be all set. Now here I will just do one of these and show you. So this flower has 7 of this rhinestones. So I'm going to do 1, 2, one in the middle. So don't put all of the dots at the same time. Put a little bit dots and do it, and then add it in sequence, because this fabric is kind of fabric that is kind of stretching. So here I added 1. You see, even though I added them close by, but when I'm adding this rhinestone, it seems a little bit far away. So that's why you put the dots, add it, and then add more. This is a little bit puffy fabric, velvet, so working with velvet I found is a little bit hard. So I added 3. See how farther it got, even though I added close, but it went so much farther apart. So that's what I'm talking about with the velvet. This is what's happening. Now I'm going to make them close. Now I'm going to add 1, 2, let me add this as well. Might go a little farther, you just bring it close. This sequence is much easier than rhinestone. Rhinestone you have to pick up by hand. This tool really doesn't do great on picking up for rhinestone because rhinestone is a little bit heavy. So I'll just go ahead and use my hand. You can use a tweezer for this purpose. So now I need 3 more, and you try to put closer because they are getting farther away with this fabric. And after you add it, you just leave it all alone for 2 hours minimum. Then you can do at the maximum 3 hours. Okay, so there you have it. Now if you see little bit of, you wipe it off right away. It's very good to wipe it off right away than waiting later to dry and then wiping off. So you see right now it will look like this. When it dries it will look better. So this is how you can decorate your hat and give it a little bling bling. So you can do any sorts of decoration. You can just have very little of rhinestone and too many, and you can have a flower like this, or you can have different sorts of flower. But with the velvet, what happens is you cannot draw anything before. Or you can use a chalk to draw something, but that's about it, because velvet, you see how puffier it is, so you just have to eyeball it and put it down. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you with another video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.